And time to get a check on the global headlines we're following at this hour. For that, we'll turn to our Eunice Kim at the NewsCenter.
Eunice, another healthcare worker in the U.S. has been confirmed to have contracted Ebola.
That's right, Mark. It is raising questions and concerns about safety protocol in the United States over the disease that has already killed thousands in West Africa. Our Shin Se-min reports.
A second healthcare worker who treated a now-deceased Ebola patient in Dallas has tested positive for the virus. 29-year-old Amber Vinson has been transferred to Emory University Hospital in Atlanta for treatment, as Texas Health Presbyterian says it is not prepared to take on any more Ebola patients. They are already treating another nurse, Pham, who is said to be in good condition. Tom Fraden, director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, says the newest victim, Vinson, had clearly violated safety guidelines. She traveled on a domestic commercial flight to Cleveland from Dallas after what he called extensive exposure to the virus. U.S. President Barack Obama has canceled campaign events over the recent cases.
What I've directed the CDC to do is that as soon as somebody is diagnosed with Ebola, we want a rapid response team, a SWAT team, essentially from the CDC, to be on the ground as quickly as possible and making sure that all the protocols are properly observed, that the use of protective equipment is done effectively, that the disposal of that protective equipment is done properly.
In a scramble to prevent the spread, the first human trial of a Canadian-made Ebola vaccine began on Monday in Maryland. But there is no timetable for when the vaccine may be ready for actual victims. The confirmed death toll in the Ebola outbreak has exceeded 4,400, most of them in West Africa. The World Health Organization warned this week that the number of new Ebola cases could soar to as many as 10,000 a week in the hardest-hit countries of Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Nigeria by the end of the year. Shin Se-min, Arirang News.